yeah, so that happened. So my plan was to put the spare tire on, as you see, the modern tire, and throw this in the back, take it to my local place so they can patch it for me, and then be all good. But I remembered I had this tire repair toolkit. So what I ultimately did was I screwed this bad boy out. This is what was in the tire. I screwed it out. A lot of air was coming out. I took this tool right here, stuck it in, and basically scored the hole to make sure it was a nice round hole. And then these rubber Taurus type things, I ran it through this plug right here, stuck it in, it sealed it, pulled it out fast, and that's what you have left. So what you're supposed to do now is get a scissors. Okay, so once you have this excess sticking out, you just cut it off, just like that. And then once you add air to the tire, the pressure is gonna help seal it. And then once you start driving, this will just seal from the outside. So I guess this kit came in handy. I saved a lot of money taking it somewhere to get it fixed. All Teslas don't come with spare tires, so I would recommend that you have some sort of tire patching kit. And hey, that modern spare really works. I didn't need it in this case, but if I was on the road and I didn't have accessibility to patch the tire, that would come in handy. So hope this helps someone out there. Y'all have a good day. Like, share, subscribe. Talk to you later. Conducting my test drive. My first time patching a tire on my own. Wow. And what's awesome is that the notification that said I had a low tire immediately went off. With my Model 3, it would take some time before it would go away once you put air in the tire. So that's pretty cool.